Hi, I'm Sylvia Gordon with the Medicare Family. I want to talk to you today about a new program that the federal government rolled out in March of 2021 to pay for funerals of people that died from COVID or quote unquote likely from COVID. So if someone in your family has had this horrible, unfortunate event, you need to call this phone number because you cannot apply online. So you call this number 844-684-6333 and you can apply to have assistance for the burial costs up to $9,000. Okay, the bad news is if you had already prepaid your funeral, which is something we highly recommend, you can't get reimbursed if you've already prepaid your funeral. But for those people that had to pay for a funeral out of their pocket, you can get reimbursed up to $9,000. You can't get it through the funeral home. The funeral home can't apply on your behalf, okay? They will cover transportations up to 2 individuals to identify the deceased individual. So a lot of times people had to fly from out of state. Transfer of the remains, they will pay for the casket or the urn, the cremation, the gravestone marker, the clergy or the officiant services, arrangements of the funeral, use of the funeral home and staff, and then the cost of creating all the duplicate death certificates. So if there were additional costs that were mandated by the state or local government, they'll also cover that, again, up to $9,000. So it's been a really tough year, and if your family, someone that you know, please share this information, forward this video, and help them, because it's like a lot of things. The government puts it out there, but then nobody knows about it. So go and try to get this $9,000. You have to call this number. You can't go online and apply. It is through FEMA. And again, the most important thing is it's from a COVID-related death, or as the government says, likely COVID death, which means I don't know how tough they're going to be on that, right? But likely to me says that the death certificate doesn't necessarily say COVID. It could be anything related, which to me would be anything respiratory. But like most government regulations, nobody really knows until we have people out there start trying to use the benefit, and then we'll learn more and more, and the government will refine their position. So it's a very sad topic, but if it did impact your family, please call this number and try to get some assistance. If you don't watch our video every week, we do one video every week at the Medicare Family. Please consider hitting the subscribe button, and you will never miss out on one of our helpful videos for people getting ready for Medicare, people who are already on Medicare. Thanks for watching.